This is what Iraq's marshes could be if protected. A living paradise, islands of reeds, streets of canals, waking with the sun. Here, the water is the road. Boats pass like neighbors, reeds rise like walls, and life moves in every direction. Every canal becomes a street market. Trade turns into a river of color, sound, and motion. The Mudhif is the heart of the marsh, a hall of reeds where tea, stories, and community gather in warm light. Long before empires, canals fed the first cities. Wetlands, boats, reeds, and trade were the pulse of Sumer. In Ur's wetlands, daily life moved with the canal. Work, family, and water shaped the rhythm of the city. In the deep south, the marsh could hide a kingdom. Its roads were water, its walls were reeds, and it stayed alive in motion. A seal on clay was power. One tablet could travel by boat and vanish into reeds like a guarded secret.